The sub 4-meter SUV segment continues to grow in India. The best seller in the segment currently are Maruti Brezza and Tata Nexon, which are averaging about 10,000 sales units per month. Then comes the Korean duo Sonet and Venue, together generating about 12 to 15,000 units every month. Behind them is the well-equipped XUV 300, but sustaining with less than 5k sales per month. Launched back in 2019 February, the XUV 300 is due for a facelift. The XUV 300 is one of the safest cars that's currently on sale in our country, with a 5-star adult safety rating and a 4-star child safety rating as tested by the Global NCAP, and it's also brilliantly equipped. After the massive success of New Gen Thar and XUV 700, Mahindra will try to imply some to the XUV 300 in a facelift form. The 2022 XUV 300 could retain its distinct design with a few subtle updates. The front design will be inspired by the new Mahindra XUV 700 with similar looking grille, with a new twin peak logo replacing the old. This new design on the XUV 300 will look quite appealing as well as sporty. Other major changes will include new alloys, redesigned headlamp and tail lamps. We should note that this will be the first major design work for Pratap Bose since he is joining in M&M from Tata Motors. Inside the cabin, the facelift could see an all-black interior with an updated upholstery. Might get a large central infotainment system with piano black surrounds all around the center console. Even though the current gen XUV 300 is decently equipped with creature comfort, it does miss out on rear AC vents, which is likely to get on list in the upcoming facelifted model. The most significant update for the XUV 300 is expected to be a new and more powerful petrol engine. This recently registered 1.2-liter 3-cylinder M-Stallion turbo petrol engine pumps out 130 PS power and 230 Nm of torque. It could be paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox as standard. This will make the XUV 300 petrol more powerful than the rivals. Currently, Mahindra offers the 1.2-liter turbo producing 109 PS and a 1.5-liter CRDI diesel delivering 115 PS. Both engine options are available with a 6-speed manual or an AMT gearbox. The XUV 300 facelift is not likely to launch before mid-2022, and we can expect any official update and spy shots on the same.